Consistent communication is a crucial part in building a great relationship with your clients. With MightyCall's call notes, you can mark important points from a meeting with a client so future agents can pick the conversation off right where you left it. Right after a call ends, agents can quickly jot down key information like customer preferences, concerns, action items, or even just helpful context, all directly in the call log. No switching tools, no sticky notes, and most importantly, no forgotten details. These notes live alongside each call, making it easy to pick up where things left off, whether it's tomorrow or 2 weeks later. And it's not just for the original agent. If someone else on the team takes the next call, they can instantly see what was discussed, what the customer asked for, and what needs to happen next. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and saves your customers from having to explain the same thing to multiple agents. For call center managers and supervisors, call notes are also a window into real conversations. They can track patterns, spot coaching opportunities, and give more meaningful feedback based on real context, not just recordings or guesses. Stay organized, stay consistent, and keep communication flowing with MightyCall's call notes.